Good morning, students. Now we are continuing with the topic of circle, and the sums are related to the cyclic quadrilateral. In the question, triangle ARS. Triangle is ARSBP. Angle BQR is 45. We have to find the value of X and Y. So AQP, this angle will be angle AQP is equal to angle PQR is equal to 45. So angle QRS is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 45 plus angle Y, and angle 2 is equal to 45 plus X, and angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So it is 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 180. So X plus Y is equal to 90. As it's given, angle X is equal to 2Y, so therefore 2Y plus Y is equal to 90, 3Y is equal to 90, Y is equal to 30. So X is equal to 2Y, so X is equal to 60 degree. Example 2. Example 2 is, in a given figure, O is the center of a circle. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. O is the center of circle. Angle, this is equal to 70. Find angle BCD, angle BOD, angle OBD. Angle BCD. Solution, angle BCD is equal to 70 degree exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. So angle BOD will be BOD. So angle BOD is equal to twice angle BCD. So BOD is equal to 140 degree. OBD, triangle OBD, OB is equal to OD, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to X. So 140 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So 140 plus x is equal to 180, 2x is equal to 40, x is equal to 20 degree. In a given figure, O is the center of a circle. In a given figure, PSTU, PS T and U. O is the center of circle. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 150 degree. This is R. This is Q. We have to find PST, PUT, QTR, QRT. First of all, we have to find PST. We have to find this angle. This angle is in arc. This. First of all is angle POT is equal to 360 minus 150 is equal to 210. So angle POT is twice of angle PST. So 200 and center angle is twice the angle subtended at arc is equal to 2 times PST. So PST is equal to 105. Now we have to find PUT. PUT to PST plus PUT is equal to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So 105 plus PUT is equal to 180. So PUT is equal to 75. Third angle is QTR. QTR. This. QTR is SPQ. QTR is equal to angle SPQ, which is equal to 45 degree exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. And the last one is QRT. This angle. This will be triangle SPT is 45 plus 105 plus QRT is equal to 180. So QRT is equal to 30 degree. Example 4. Example 4 is in a given figure, AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter, O is the center of circle, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC and angle AED. Angle AED is 118 degree. Find DEC and find DAB. DEC. So angle AEC is equal to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle. So angle AED is equal to angle AEC plus DEC. So this is 118. 118 is equal to 90 plus DEC. So DEC is equal to 118 minus 90 is equal to 28 degree. Second is we have to find DAB. We have to find this angle. So this angle will be DAB will be angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to BC. Therefore angle, this is 1, this is 2. Angle 1 is equal to 2. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 90 is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. So angle 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 45. We have to find this. And this is 28. 3 and 2. And angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle in same segment. And angle DAB DAB is equal to angle 4 plus angle 1. Angle 4 is equal to 28 plus 45 is equal to 60, 70,